Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So crafty girl and get me a boy. So today I'm going to show you how to be making, wait, I'll just get it, this slime. So if you like slime, you like science, you like craft, this is really simple slime. No activator and no glue and no activator either. The thing that's also really cool about this is that it only includes one ingredient. So I'll show you what it looks like when you're done, but first I'd like to say that it's also an ingredient that we use every day, which is, we'll get to that point soon. So I've actually brought a spoon, just a wooden one from lunch. I've actually been using it to make slime recently, and I don't want to get my hands really messy, so I'm just going to show you. So it's slime. From the camera it actually looks just like what it is, but actually it is slime. It is a bit like slime. The only thing is that you can get your fingers pretty messy playing with it, so that's why I recommend playing with it you can still touch it, but I recommend playing with it in a tub, not on the bench, because it's really hard to get off. You'll have to wipe it. Then we've got this one. It's a bit more sticky. It's not as good as the other one. Now, to make this amazing slime, these are the things you'll need. So this is only one ingredient, but you will need some things like a bowl to mix in. It can be a normal bowl, but I've got a plastic one, and a spoon, and you can use, if you want to make clear, this has no food coloring in it, so you can make it without food coloring, but if you have any like slight clear, slight colored body wash or hand soap, then use that. But if you want clear slime, then use clear body wash or clear hand soap, or you can also use shampoo or conditioner. I'm using hair conditioner. So grab your bowl, and I'm actually going to take the lid off this and just pour it in. So I won't distract you with that. So you're just going to, you might actually need a paper towel just to put things down on, like when things get messy, just in case. So you're just going to pour some in like this. And then it's normal soap at the moment. It's normal soap. And I'm going to mix it all, just to group it all together. Let's put a bit more in. So I've got all of this. Then I'm going to just like give it a bit of a mix. It's not actually going to really make a difference, but it's just good to give it a mix. I like doing it just to make it all bubbly and get it ready. Okay, now all you have to do is put it in the don't put it in the freezer. It won't speed it up. I've tried it and it kind of turns it into slime, but it just freezes it basically. So it's a bit of a waste if you do it in the freezer. So don't try doing it in the putting it in the freezer. Put this in the fridge for this might sound a bit crazy, but put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours, and check it every like 30 minutes. And just give it a stir around to make sure it's working. So guys, if you follow the instructions, which aren't that hard, you should get this slimy substance, which is like slime. So I'll show you the difference to it because I've actually got my soap here, which I haven't put in the freezer yet. So it's looking a little different. It's pretty different actually. This one's slightly green, probably because it's been in the fridge. This is like slightly green, so it must have turned. Now I'm going to test it with my finger. I'm going to pick both of them up and you can see the difference. So let's start with the soap. Normal soap just falls out of your finger. It's very gooey. And now if you grab some of this, it's a little bit similar, but it's now what will happen if, here's one thing that's different, what will happen if you swirl this around? It will just do that. It will make this little like a circle, but with this one, if you swirl the whole thing around, round it all up, there is this little bit in here. So this on camera might look like this isn't worth it because it's pretty similar, but actually it's not that similar. Does it get stuck to your fingers? Well, I wouldn't recommend putting it on any table, so leave it in your tub. It doesn't really get stuck to your fingers, so it might get stuck like that, but you can just push it off, and then there is once you get, you can like put your hands in like this and it will take all the sticky bits off you like that, and then there we go. Clean. And then it's just a bit slimy. Your fingers are a bit wet. And then you just go wash them out with soap. The great thing about this is that it's like non-toxic, but it's still the same substance as slime. So, yeah, it's really cool. So, if you actually like this video, then you should check out, it's not our channel, but you should check out our friend's channel. It's called Activate Slime. It's pretty hard to find, so if you want to find it, I suggest going finding it on YouTube on your computer, because that's your laptop, I mean. That's the only thing I could find it on. We tried all of our devices. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more craft and gaming and slime making, of course. Now, one more thing I like to show you is that the water slime, which which is this one. It's a different recipe. The only thing that's different is that you have to put water in as well, just to cover the top. I'm actually not going to make it because it didn't work very well for me. This is the one that didn't work very well. It ended up really watery and it didn't really work. So this one is a little better now because I actually put it in the fridge. So if you want to make water slime, guys, then once you're finished with the tutorial, I suggest maybe putting it in the fridge for like 2 hours, or just so it can get more jelly-like. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more. And I'll definitely do more slime videos. So comment below if this worked, or if it didn't work, I can tell you anything you need to do to get it. And a hint that if you leave it in the fridge a bit longer, it will get a bit more slimy and less sticky to your fingers. So make sure to subscribe. Bye everyone.